Are you interested in learning about vRealize operations? Of course you are. Perhaps that's why you're here at the VVork YouTube channel. I have a growing library of videos on vRealize operations, but this is creating these videos, it's sort of my side thing. I'm an instructor. I'm supposed to be in the classroom teaching class or in an airplane flying to a classroom. So I only have so much time to create these videos. Therefore, I want to make certain that you're aware that you have other options available to you where you can go to get training on vRealize operations. So if you'll take a quick look here, these are some of the courses that VMware has on vRealize operations. The first class that you see here, the Install, Configure, Manage course, is the course where I see the most students in the classroom when they come to learn about vRealize operations. It's our 5-day course in which we talk about all sorts of things that you might want to learn. For instance, maybe you want to know how to deploy VROPs, or perhaps you want to learn how to create custom dashboards, or custom alerts, or custom reports, or perhaps you're interested in using VROPs for troubleshooting. We talk about all those topics and more in this 5-day course. Don't have enough time for a 5-day course? Well, this course here is a abbreviated course. It's a 2-day course which covers many of the same topics, but again, it's focused into a smaller amount of time. Or perhaps you need to know not just about vRealize operations, but vSphere also. We've got a course for that. And additionally, we have a course for those of you who use both vRealize operations and vSAN. So if any of these sound interesting, and if you need to learn about vRealize operations now and can't wait for me to create more videos, go to the YouTube description down below, and I've kindly recorded some URLs that you can go to find out more about these courses. If you have any questions about the courses, feel free to post them in the YouTube comment section, and when I'm not in the classroom and I get a chance to look at those comments, I'll reply back to you. Thanks, everyone.